Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new meme crypto project. From this project you can earn a very big profit. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. So friend, it's a meme coin and it gives you a very big profit in future because its development and its market cap liquidity also growing up very fastly. So it's give you a very big profit. The link and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. So simply we can scroll down. First of all, you can see Dark Pino is the name of this project. It's totally based on meme. As you can see, show me the light. As this meme project was available and you watch this video to know about how project work and related to this meme coin, the video was available. It helps to know about this project and you can see the detail and many more things in this website. So must watch and read the detail of this project and get profit from this meme coin. So hopefully it helps to growing you more financially in future. So must participate in it. As you can see, the history of this project was available. Made the unlimited satisfies only to be cost aside, betrayed and forgotten, and it's give you many more things. So must read it and then participate in it, and it's already give you a very good profit in future. So as you can see, it's a method how to buy this meme coin. Follow these easy steps to become a Dark Pino holder, and you can see simply you can create your wallet, get some soul and swap your soul into Dipno, and you can now a dipping holder. So it's a very simple and easy method. I will tell you how you can purchase it. It's a Solana based project. Simply you can go to the Jumpeg and you can simply connect your wallet, which one you wallet have. Simply a wallet option was available. Simply you can connect your wallet, then you can swap your Solana into Dipno and you can simply purchase it, and it's give you a very big profit. As you can see, 0.0089 is the current price of this project and it's growing very fastly, and it's also give you a very big profit. So must be the member of this project and get a big profit. So it's a simple method to buying this meme coin. So hopefully you will know how you can buy. Then you can see this method also available in website Jupiter. Website option was available. Simply you can connect your wallet with Pentium and Solfair or Backpack, which one you have, simply and then buy it and get a big profit. So it's a very good opportunity for you and easy method to buy this coin. So these are the tokenomics of this project. Current supply was available, contract address was available. You can simply copy and then buy it. Liquidity, tax and LP was totally burned, mint and freeze, revoked and many more things you can see. So must participate in it and also be the member of this project and get more profit. At the last, you can must join the social media account of this project to get many more information about this project. I will share with you the Twitter account of this project. You can see must follow the profile of this meme coin and you can get a very big profit. As you can see, the post was available. It also share with you latest updates and announcement in this social media account. So must follow it for latest updates and news you can get, and also join the Telegram community of this project to get many more information, and also be the member of the community, member of this community to make a more profit. So these are the main detail about this project, and I will tell you how you can buy it and how you can hold it. So it's a very simple and easy method. So must join it and be the member of this project and get more profit. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.